Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to configure VLANs on a Mikrotik router and how to set up policy-based routing. I have prepared a topology for the topic in this video. I have here two internet plugged in port 1 and port 2. And in port 3, I will assign VLAN 10 and port 4 and 5, I will assign VLAN 20. The goal of this video is to show you how to set up policy-based routing. VLAN 10 client to go to ISP1 and VLAN 20 client to go to ISP2. Without further ado, let's get started. First, I will configure the basic settings on the Mikrotik router so it can have an internet connection. As what you can see, the Mikrotik router now has internet. Next, I will create a bridge and assign port 3, 4, and 5 as members on that bridge. Next, I will configure VLANs on that bridge, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Then assign IP addresses to each VLAN and set up a DHCP server. Go to interface VLAN plus VLAN 10. Interface bridge, apply, then copy. VLAN 20, VLAN ID 20. Interface bridge, apply, then OK. Then I will assign IP address on each of the VLAN. For VLAN 10, 192.168.10.1/24. For VLAN 20, 20.1. Then I will create bridge. I will create DHCP server. For VLAN 10, for VLAN 20, next, I will assign now port 3 to have VLAN 10 network, port 3 to have VLAN 10 network, then port 4 and 5 to have VLAN 20 network. So to do that, go to bridge, then VLANs. Click plus, VLAN ID 10, let's tag the bridge, interface, then in the untag, choose port 3. Apply, and copy. For VLAN 20, tag the bridge, then untag, port 4, and port 5. Apply, then OK. And go to ports, go to port Ethernet 3, then go to VLAN, then PVID 10. Then for Ethernet 4, PVID 20. Ethernet 5, PVID 20. Then go to bridge, then enable the VLAN filtering. We are now done with VLAN configuration in the router. Let's test if PC1 can get an IP from VLAN10 network and PC2 can get an IP from VLAN20 network. So this is the VLAN10 PC. It gets an IP from the VLAN10 network. And for the VLAN20 PC, it gets an IP from the VLAN20 network. So our VLAN configuration is working. So we will now proceed with the configuration of the policy-based routing. We want that VLAN10 clients will go to the ISP1, then VLAN20 PC will go to the ISP2 ISP. So to do that, we will create first routing tables. So 2 ISP1, 2 ISP2. Next, go to IP Firewall, then Mangle, click plus. I will specify here that VLAN10 must go to ISP1 and VLAN20 must go to ISP2. So for the source address, this is the network address of VLAN10. Then go to action, then mark routing. The new routing mark to ISP1. Uncheck pass ko. Apply, then copy. We will do the same for VLAN20 and change the routing mark to ISP2. Apply and okay. Next, go to IP, the routes. I will create routes so clients on VLAN10 will go to ISP1 gateway and VLAN20 will go to ISP2 gateway. So to do that, click plus, then the gateway of internet gateway of ISP1 10.0.0.1, then go here in routing table and choose to ISP1. Apply. Okay, then click plus again for the ISP2. So this is the gateway of ISP2. Then in the routing table, choose to ISP2. Apply, then okay. Then we will change here the distance of the following. Distance 2. So let's check. I will go again to VLAN10 PC. I will do ping google.com first to check if it still have internet. So as what you can see, VLAN10 PC still have an internet. So how to check if ISP1, if VLAN10 PC goes to ISP1 rather. So to check, we will perform K-cert. So as you can see, it goes to the ISP1 gateway. We will access VLAN20 PC. I will do ping google.com first to check if this PC has an internet. So as you can see, the PC still has internet. I will do K-cert to check if it goes to ISP2. As what you can see, this PC goes to ISP2 gateway. Therefore, our configuration is working as intended. And that's it, everyone. This is how to configure VLANs on a Mikrotik router and how to set up policy-based routing. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Bye for now and have a nice day.